Good morning, everyone. It is our second weekend in Hoi An, Vietnam. And this weekend we're going to be driving up to Hue, which is the imperial city. It was actually the capital of Vietnam for around 100 something years. But we're in Hoi An, so it's around a 3 to 5 hour drive. We're gonna be getting there via motorbike. We're just taking a big backpack and we're gonna be staying there for 3 days and 2 nights. All our stuff's pretty much packed over here. But yeah, we're really excited because we're taking the scenic route called the Hoi An Pass, and it's a coastal road with really nice views that leads up to Hue from Hoi An. Tris is back and he was learning how to use the motorbike. How is it?
It's good. I like it. I like it more than the other one. This one's automatic. It's newer, it's more compact, it's bigger, so less dangerous.
Less dangerous. Say hi, Lee.
Say hi.
This is Ali. He's the manager of Quang Vinh, and he's taking good care of us.
Taking very good care of us. Thank you, Lee.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Bami.
Ira?
Yes. Thank you. Bami is here, and we are going to eat it. So, we just got the mixed Bami. And it's so good. Look at that.
So this banh is from Banh Mi Phuong, which was actually showcased in Anthony Bourdain's show. That's why this place is so popular now. Every time you go to the stall, and it's a very small, unassuming stall, but there's always a long line. There's always a queue, and it's because of Anthony Bourdain. He said that this is the best banh mi he's had in Vietnam. So now the place is super popular. Business is booming thanks to Anthony Bourdain. Banh mi.
Banh Mi Phuong.
Mixed banh mi. Recommended by Anthony Bourdain.
So this is where we've been staying. It's Quang Vinh apartment and hotel homestay, and it's honestly been the best. They have free bikes here that we could use. Tristan and I use them pretty much every day to get dinner or go around the area. We have a coffee shop right over there, another coffee shop and bakery right over there as well. And when you go out here and to the left, that's the main road. Same way here, this is a shortcut. And this is really nice. There's a pool up there, and got some really nice flowers, and the apartments are down here. Tris just came back from putting on sunblock. Nice.
Maybe you can choose the way on the beach from come to Da Nang.
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
We are ready.
You're good to go.
Goods to go. I got the backpack. I'm holding the backpack because Tris is driving, so it goes in my back. Bye, Lee. We'll see you.
See ya.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Well,
We are currently in the middle of the Hoi An Pass. We've made it kind of up.
we're at the start, I think. We just got here. It's been 5 minutes of ascension. So, this is our first spectacular view. Hello, Ira.
Hello.
This is our first view, our first scenic stopover here at the Hoi An Pass, north of Da Nang, south of Hue, in central Vietnam. So here we are overlooking the ocean. Vietnam is, oh sorry, Da Nang is far towards there. Can't really see it though. We're getting
We got Buko over sharing. And
yes.
a nice lady over here in the
Buko
side.
on the side. 40,000 dong. Thank you. Come on, come on. Come on means thank you in Vietnamese. But I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Very hard to pronounce Vietnamese words, but we try our best. We try our best. How is it?
Good, it's sweet. What's cool about this little side stop is they have little tables and chairs where you can just drink your buko and watch the view. Like that.
And it's actually good that we stopped for some buko because honestly, you're on the motorbike, you're under the sun 24/7 and it's hot.
I was low-key dehydrated. I wanted to get water.
Yeah.
But then
No, I know. Like halfway through the pass, there's another place where people can stop there. It's like a cafe. You can stop over there, have some merienda, get some drinks, refill ourselves, energize, and it's overlooking a nice view too. So
that's perfect.
yeah.
We'll
But it's
probably see you guys
towards
there.
there.
Thanks, babe.
Of course.
Labor of love.
She's braiding. She's gonna braid your hair.
He's braiding my hair.
Princess treatment.
I love Vietnam.
The people here are really so sweet. Come on, come on, come on.
Coconut? Okay, coconut.
Buy coconuts.
Hey, very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Come on.
Vietnamese.
Come on, Vietnamese. Okay, so we've stopped once again because this view is just insane. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. And the road it like curves in this nice way up into the mountains, and like this road is just so beautiful. I mean, look at this. We just came from that road over there and the views are insane. But now it's so pretty.
This place is beautiful.
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 So we are in this little cafe right now in the Hoi An Pass called In the Clouds Cafe, and it's called that because it's a cafe nestled in the side of the mountain, and the view from here looks absolutely amazing. It's like you're really in the clouds. You see the entire city of Da Nang across the water, and it's really foggy and cloudy, and it's really beautiful. Tris is actually ordering my coconut milk yogurt Don't know what that is, but it sounds good. And we're going to be splitting a beef rice noodle soup. Oh, he's back. Hey, babe. Say hi.
Hello.
Did you order stuff?
I did. I have hat hair. Sorry.
It's okay, I have hat hair too.
I mean, helmet hair.
Helmet hair. Helmet hair.
So we're just
Yeah.
getting some quick nourishment food because I am a bit tired. But we're good.
We're good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at this.
I got Coca-Cola.
Coconut yogurt. Coconut yogurt? Bubbles with bubbles. And a Coke.
Let me be. It's my cheat day.
They especially love their coconut coffee in this part of Vietnam, and they use coconut cream for a lot of things. But this is the first time I've ever encountered a coconut yogurt boba drink.
Yeah, Vietnam's coffee culture is super rich. There's cafes literally everywhere. Like, there's more cafes than restaurants. And I don't know how it works here, but it seems like they don't call restaurants restaurants, and they just call restaurants cafes. Because that's what I've been seeing, right? A lot of the restaurants we eat at are actually called cafes. But yeah, they've got really good coffee. Rice noodles with beef. I am hungry. That looks so good.
I know,
Wow.
it looks so yummy.
Look at
I'm
all
really
the
excited.
vegetables.
So healthy.
Yeah.
They always have so much vegetables in their
Literally,
food.
Vietnamese food feels like every single dish we eat it's like you're cleansing your gut.
So we were getting pretty tired in the motorbike, and we decided to stop in this little eatery. I'm not sure what to call it, but yeah, just lots of stalls and places to sit down and eat local food. None of the locals speak English though, so Tris got his Google Translate out, and
Look.
he's still got his helmet on.
Xin chào, come on. Xin chào, come on. What?
That's wrong.
Oh no, I was supposed to say hello.
Google's
Thank
wrong.
Rồi hello, có trứng đuống không? Cho mày đô.
Melo.
Đô.
Tristan.
Hello, có trứng đuống không? Cho mày đô. Hello, có trứng đuống không? Cho mày đô.
I wanna hear what he's understand.
What are you saying?
Người ở Mô, người ở đâu?
I don't understand.
Nhật Bản à?
Huh?
Nhật Bản hay là ở đâu?
Wait, get your Google Translate.
Nhấn vào micro để nói. Nhấn vào micro để nói hello, có trứng đô cho mày đô.
No, nothing.
working, no.
No.
Oh. Here.
Hello, có trứng đô cho mày đô.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Có tiền đô cho mày đô.
What's your name? My name is Tristan.
What you name? My name it's Titon.
Chiton.
Oh, Ho Vân Chớ.
How
My name Ho Vân Chớ.
much?
My name Ho Vân Chớ.
How long ja?
Ho Vân Chớ.
Ho Vân
My
Chớ.
name.
Nice to meet you.
My name Ho Vân Chớ.
How long ja? Nice to meet
Rồi,
you.
okay.
Nice
My
to
name
meet
Ho
you. Hey, nice to meet you. How long ja?
My name Ho Vân Chớ.
Okay.
Ho Vân Chớ. My name.
Okay,
How long ja?
My name Tristan.
My name.
Tristan. Ira.
Yeah,
Ira. Nice to meet you.
Well,
Good.
why? Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on.
Come on.
Hello. Do you know where I can get water?
Hi. Oh babe, we have water by the way.
Xin chào, bạn có biết tôi có thể lấy nước ở đâu?
Just wants water. Oh there.
You need more, no?
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is a store.
Me neither.
I'm not sure if this is a company.
Just one. Ah.
How much is this?
Google Translate. Google Translate.
À, 7.000. Cái ra số 2. Số 2.
10.000.
Số 2 số 5.
Okay, okay.
Ok lên ra.
Hello.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Okay, come on.
Come on. Where we go now?
You can sit down somewhere.
Yeah, I'll just sit down somewhere. Where did you want to sit down now?
I'm not hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you winking at me?
Very. Your face. Beautiful. Beautiful. Pretty.
Thanks. So we are about to head to Hue City Center. We arrived in Hue just a few hours ago and we stayed in the room to rest a little bit because we were so tired from the journey. I think it was more than 5 hours. No?
It was, yeah, we took our sweet time.
Yeah.
We made multiple stops, and the drive in itself would have been about 3 hours if we just stuck to the main highways. But since we opted for the scenic view, we went through like small towns. We took the coastal road.
Oh, the views are great.
Yeah,
the views
so
are great. Yeah.
That 3 hour drive ended up turning into like a 5 hour, 6 hour drive.
5 hours.
All I know is that we left our place at 10 a.m. and we got here at like 6.
Yeah.
So it's 8
8 hours
Yeah,
on the
8
bike.
hours.
So we were tired, so we rested a little bit, but now we're gonna have dinner and we're gonna take the bike out to Hue City Center to find something good to eat. So yeah.